Hi children, welcome back. So in my last video, we were discussing Unit 1, Personality Development. Segment B comes under Reading B. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Written by the one and only Shiva Khera. Children, I asked you one question last time. What was the famous book written by Shiva Khera? So once again, a small recap. Try to recall. Have you got it? You Can Win. That was the book. Now today it's world famous. So as I told you, in this lesson, Mr. Shiva Khera gave the description of 12 great discoverers or creators or inventors who became very famous, but behind their success story, number of failures are there. In the previous video, already I introduced you the first 6 great people. Now let us move on to next the remaining 6 great people. Who are they? Right? Children, to start with, you see the 7th man, Mr. Napoleon Hill. Who is he? An American author in the area of the New Thought movement, and he was the earliest producers of modern genre of personal success literature. See, sir, he was one of the greatest writers of success. Okay, Mr. Napoleon Hill. And next to him, we have Socrates. I think you heard this name. Even in social studies, you will get about this great man. You see his period of time 469 BC to 399 BC. I think children all of you know BC means before Christ. And who was he? A classical Greek Athenian philosopher. And he was the founder of Western philosophy. Do you know? Very difficult man to understand those days. But he became very great. So none other than Socrates. Children, next comes Mr. Thomas J. Watson Sr. He is also called as Tom Watson Sr. Who was he? The president of International Business Machine Corporation, IBM. I think you are all well aware of IBM computers. So he was the man behind this. And it is an American multinational technology and consulting corporation. He was the founder of that, Mr. Thomas J. Watson Sr. Next comes American President, the great Abraham Lincoln. And he was the 16th President of the United States of America. The great Abraham Lincoln. Children, I think you heard many stories about him. He was once a cobbler. I think most of you know. Okay? A cobbler could become the president of US. So this is Mr. Abraham Lincoln. And next comes, children, please see, who are they? I think most of you never dreamt of traveling by air, no? Earlier did we? Today happily we are happily enjoying ourselves in the airlines. So these are the people, the Wright brothers who invented the aircraft. The world laughed at the beginning, do you know? So today everybody thinks about these two great brothers, Wright brothers, without whom the aeroplane hasn't been a possibility. Children, last but not the least, Thomas Alva Edison. I think everybody, every student can never forget this great man. Who is he? An American inventor and businessman. Sir, what did he develop, sir? What not many devices that greatly influenced life around the world. Okay, including the phonograph, motion picture camera, and long lasting practical electric light bulb. So today the cams or the lights today what we are enjoying, I think without him we can never dreamt of such a beautiful world. So children, These are the total 12 great inventors. In my previous video, already explained to you 6 people and now 6. So, children, we have to know the greatness of these people and the failures what they have really put forth in their life for making their invention a grand success. So, children, every success story is also a story of great failures. Failure is the highway to success, children. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. That is evident through the lives of all the great people whom you have seen in the videos. But people don't see the failures. The world never sees the failures of the great people. They simply say, oh, how great they are. They simply keep on appreciating them or praising them. They only see one side of the picture and decide that that person was very, very, very lucky. So, children, this is the motivational videos of these two, rather, we can say introductory videos. In my next video, we are going to have the summary or the gist of this beautiful lesson. Okay, children? So, after this video, a small, very small assignment is given to you. Please go through that. Okay, don't neglect, children. If you have doubts, once again watch the video. Okay, see you. Bye.